Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a white outline to your photo in Canva. This is a super simple effect that can make your images pop and stand out, especially when you're creating graphics for social media or presentations. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your image already open in Canva. Whether you've uploaded it yourself or chosen one from Canva's library, make sure it's positioned on your canvas and ready to edit. Once your image is in place, go ahead and click directly on it to select it. This will activate the editing options at the top of your screen. Next, look for the Edit button in the toolbar that appears. It's typically located at the top of the interface once you've selected your image. Click on Edit to reveal a variety of photo editing options. This menu gives you access to filters, adjustments, and various effects that can transform your image. Now, within the Edit menu, scroll down until you find the Shadows section. You'll notice it has several preset options, but what you're looking for is the See All button. Click on See All to expand the full range of shadow and outline effects available. This opens up more advanced customization options that aren't immediately visible in the condensed view. Once you're in the expanded Shadows menu, locate the option labeled Outline. This is the key feature you need to add that border effect around your image. Click on Outline to apply it. You'll immediately notice a default outline appear around the edges of your photo, giving it that distinct framed look. Here's where you get to customize it to fit your needs. By default, the outline might not be white, so you'll need to adjust the color. Look for the color picker within the outline settings and change it to white. You can do this by clicking on the color box and either selecting white from the palette or entering the hex code FFFFF for pure white. Additionally, you'll see sliders or controls for intensity and size. Play around with these to make the outline thicker or thinner depending on your design preference. A thicker outline creates a bold statement, while a subtle one keeps things minimal and clean. Once you're happy with how your white outline looks, simply click outside the image or anywhere on the canvas to finalize your changes. This deselects the image and locks in your edits, ensuring the outline stays exactly as you've designed it. And that's it! You've successfully added a white outline to your photo in Canva, giving it a polished and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.